Well, here we are. I think it was my own breath that was fogging up the lens. It's so cold out here. But the plow is at the end of the driveway. It's coming up for another shot. It's a lot of snow, but it's dry snow. Here he comes. I'm not going to stand in the driveway when the snowplow comes by. Just last video, I got to do this last video. There's one behind me too. Oh. Oh man, I love to see snowplow. Didn't I tell you that Woodbury here has the best plowers, the best snowplow drivers in the whole state of Connecticut, other than the state? This is great. Oh, my fingertips have gotten numb. I got to stand out. Can't stand out here too much longer. See, the snow is about the same consistency as it was last time I was out. Been going like this all afternoon. I guess that's it. See ya. I'm going in to warm up and to post this video.